everybody. So today I'm going to share with you guys two different apps that are sister apps. Now if you're not sure what sister apps are, it basically means they're very apps that are super similar. Usually it means you can only redeem on one or the other. Because if you do both, you can get denied and then you might get banned from the app. So there is that. But anyways, I'm going to talk to you guys about coupons.com, and then I'm also going to talk to you guys about Shopmium. Shopmium is a new app, and but yeah. So first thing I'm going to tell you guys, there is no links for this. You just go to your place where you download your apps, type in coupons.com, or you type in Shopmium. Now, there is a website called coupons.com where you can actually print off printable coupons. Now, one thing about the coupons.com website is most of those coupons you can print twice. What you do is you print them off, then you go back and reprint it again. You don't print it off by quantity. The thing about the apps is it's only one time unless it has a different wording to it. But I'm going to share with you guys right now the coupons.com app. So this is what it is. And first thing you see is you see all these deals. So right here, you know, there's a deal where if you get $2 back, you buy $2 off. I just kind of plus a lot of these. So you got to make sure you do that. I thought I had a lot of this stuff already plussed up, but apparently I didn't. But anyway, so what you're going to do is you just check out all the deals. Now these are all the deals that you can submit on, you can use a paper coupon. Now there are some deals where it says you can't use a coupon, but some people just submit their receipt with the coupons.com. One thing I like about this is if you're shopping at a store and you forgot your paper coupons, or you say, hey, there's a really cool deal, you open the app up, you see if there's a deal for it, and you can purchase it and then submit your receipt and get your money back. So it's pretty fun. For a while there, I was not using it, but so far in the last, I don't know how long they've had this app for, I've saved $276. Now, there is that. Now here, these are all the items that I checked off. Now, when you do purchase these items, you have to make sure it's checked before you purchase it. Otherwise, you might not get the money for it. But there's that. So these are all the items that I checked off. So if I went to the store, any store, unless it specifies a specific store, I could purchase that item, pay full price, and then submit my receipt. Now, when you do submit your receipt, they do send it to your PayPal account. I don't know if there's any other options for them to send it anywhere else, but they do send the money directly to your PayPal account. Now here it says submit a receipt. These are all the stores that I can physically submit my receipt to. And then there's stores where you can link your accounts to coupons.com. Now I had my Walgreens.com linked to my coupons account and I never got cash back for it. I am a person that I like to physically submit a receipt. So pretty easy on that, and that's all you do, and I will share with you guys what happens after that. Shopmium, basically you do the same thing. But one thing I do like about coupons.com, you can search for your offers. So if you're looking for finish, let's just say, you can actually tip, or just right there. Another thing you can do with the coupons.com app is you can actually use this little barcode option where you can scan a product. So if you're looking for a certain product and you want to know if it works, as long as it scans, there you go. So that's one thing I like about coupons.com over that. Shopmium, there is no option for this, okay? So basically you open the app and here it is. It's all your offers. Again, you just click on, like I'm just clicking, but you just click on what you want, okay? The one thing I don't like about this is if you click on it, you don't know what it is. Unless you click on the item, here you get $1. But this one says this offer is only available at Target. So there are some offers. Now, another thing is you will see the same deals on coupons.com as you will see on Shopmium. And like I said, it's one or the other. One thing you could do is if you do one deal 1 week or 1 day and you go back to do the same deal, you can submit your receipt on the other app. So that's one thing I kind of like it. You kind of got two options when you do that. But here you can kind of find the items that you want by, you know, looking for certain items. So pretty easy. Here it just says a tutorial, you know, go shopping, submit your receipt, scan your barcodes, get cash back. Here is where you will, oh, you can check a barcode. So here you can check a barcode to see if you get it. I keep forgetting about that option. So I just scanned it. It says that that is for that. Okay. Otherwise, you would also request my cash back, and this is what you push when you want to submit your receipt. Then we have these are my requests. This is all the money that I've gotten. So this app's only been around for a couple months, but so far I've gotten $29.50 for that. So I've submitted my receipt 4 times. That's kind of sad, but that's all I've done. And then this is just kind of my information and all that jazz. So what we're going to do is I just went to Walmart and we're going to submit my receipt to the coupons.com app and the Shopmium app. Okay, so now usually I say when you're buying 2 different items and there's 2 different or 2 different rebates, I suggest doing separate transactions. But I have 2 different scenarios for you. So I ended up buying these, okay? There is a $2 rebate with Shopmium and there is a $2 rebate with coupons.com. I bought one of these in one transaction and I bought another in the other transaction. So that means most likely I will get my money. You just need to pay attention on what item you bought with each item, okay? For this, I ended up getting these both on the same transaction. Now, when you do something like this, you may or may not be denied because since the apps are sister apps, there's a chance that you might get denied. So just giving you guys a heads up with that, but let's submit our receipt. So what we're going to do is I found out that on this receipt I have this item because the Bic shaver is $49.05 and I'm going to submit my receipt. So what you're going to do is you just go to redeem. You're going to find the store that you're at. We are at Walmart. You're going to do take a photo of the receipt. Now, sometimes it has it where you can do it auto or manual. If you do it auto, it automatically takes your photo. It just says that you need to sit still or have a background. I'm going to retake that photo. But, okay, so it took my picture for me. It's just like that. I could go in, but it did it itself. Otherwise, if you do manual, then you can do it. But we're just going to hit finish. And now we're going to scan the items that I got with that receipt. So I'm going to scan the Bic. And there pops the $2 Bic. I did get one of the finishes. So we're going to scan the finish. And there's $2 right there. And then I also got, you have reached the max. Okay, I understand that. And then I ended up getting the 7th generation soap. So right there I am getting $4.75 back. So I'm just going to screenshot this because I'm writing my receipt money down. So $4.75. All you do is I've scanned my receipt and voila, success, we got your receipt. Now sometimes I get my money like the second I submit my receipt, and sometimes it might take a couple days or a couple hours. It's all different. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Shopmium app, and I just got an email saying great job, we got your receipt, congratulations, you submitted those 3 items. So we'll find out if I get it, and then they'll send it directly to my PayPal. So here you just do payout history, redemption history, and offer activation history. And right here I have it for PayPal, and I think PayPal is the only option that you got. Yeah, PayPal is the only way you can submit your receipt. Sorry, you guys. But PayPal is the only way you can submit your receipt. So right here I got another email. It says coupons.com just paid me $4.75. So I got the money just like that. Just like that. So one thing it does vary. And looks at, I just got an email from PayPal saying coupons.com just paid me. So look at that. Now we're going to go to Shopmium. You're going to click this little pig, request my cash back, verify my activated offers. You don't have to do anything, but you're going to do submit. So what you're going to do is we're going to take a photo, and since I did it on a different actually we're going to do it on this one because I have 2 different receipts I need to submit. So same way, it's not going to focus. Same way, it's going to take a photo for me. Voila, done. And then what I'm going to do, since I just bought a second one, we're going to do that, scan the thing, and we got $2, and I scanned all my products, okay? Now, you do not want to submit your receipt for the same item for this. You could get denied, and then you might get blocked from the app. So I just submitted $2 for that. But I did buy another Bic product with a different receipt, so I'm going to submit my receipt, cash back, activated all my offers, take a photo. It's going to do that thing for me. Voila, done. Now we're going to take a photo of the BIC. Voila, $2 back. I scanned my products and it says done. Watch your cash back. Please keep it until your offers have been processed. So make sure you keep your receipts handy, and that is pretty easy. Shopmium I think takes a little bit longer to get, but it's just super easy for that. So that, actually, let's see what we got. I just got an email. Nope, not from them. But that's pretty easy for Shopmium. But they are sister apps, so it means that over time, coupons.com might go away and it might be Shopmium 100%. I do know when I first used Shopmium, they did have a freebie in there. They do say there's freebies in there, but so far I've only saw that once. But they might surprise you with other offers. But it's a pretty easy app once you know how you get. I just wish you could search for the item that you want. But it is basically the same offers as coupons.com. But pretty easy once you guys figure that out. So tutorial, love your pets. So pretty easy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. But I'm here to help you guys out, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.